Okay, good day everyone. This is your business proposal project. So ano ba yung gagawin nyo sa inyong business proposal? So itong project nyo is a continuation of your business proposal activity, yung documents na sinend nyo last time. So ang gagawin nyo is, ito lang. Tatlo lang. So recorded video advertisement. Instead na Zoom presentation na sinuggest ko sa inyo is, ang pinili nyo is yung recorded video advertisement. First is to promote your proposal. So ito lang yung gagawin nyo sa inyong project. Just to promote your proposal, not the actual product. Kasi yung proposal nyo is i-approve nyo pa lang doon sa client. So gusto nyo dapat na ma-approve yung proposal nyo sa client. So, ako yung client, ako yung mag-check nyo. So, ang gagawin nyo is create a advertisement na mag-e-explain doon sa inyong full document. So, included pa rin yung mga plan of work, budget, conclusion or result. So, explain nyo pa rin siya through advertisement. So, maglalagay kayo doon, galingan nyo doon sa pag-edit or doon sa pagiging creative ng inyong business proposal. So, paano ba maging creative? So, lagyan nyo ng background music, be enthusiastic, ano pa ba? Basta ma-improve yung inyong video. 1 to 3 minutes video lang is okay na yon sa inyong project. Basta makita ko kayo lahat na nandoon doon sa video para makita ko na meron din kayong part. So, yun lang. Yung ipopromote nyo is yung business proposal mismo, not the actual product. So, our business proposal is, yan, what do we want to do in our business proposal? What do we want to achieve in our business proposal? So, yun yung gagawin yung advertisement. That's it.